Good morning, guys. The time is 9:02 a.m. Today is Friday the 24th, 2023. I'm actually on my way to grab some breakfast. I'll show you where I want to go and what I want to eat. So come follow me, come join me. Let's enjoy some breakfast together. It's a fun thing to do here in the morning. Hopefully there's not a whole lot of people. Or even if there is, I don't really care. As long as I get a seat to sit. Kind of loud. So yeah, let's see. It's right next to the temple here. I'm sure a lot of people have already done this. If you're watching this and you've been in MT before, I'm pretty sure you've done this before. But so we're almost here. Let's see. Look at this. Hey, handsome. Look at that. Look at this. Hi. Oh, how cute is that? Look at his face. Or is that her? Look at her face. Oh. There's another one here. Oh, I don't want to disturb him because he's asleep. A lot of stray dogs. There's another one right there. All right, let's go. I'm hungry. Oh, look at this. This is the... I'm not sure if you guys can see this. But that right there is the place. There right there is the place. I want to find a seat for myself and maybe find a place to grab my breakfast. Because I didn't eat anything since 3:30 p.m. yesterday. So that's I don't know, almost more than 13 hours without anything in my tummy. Well, maybe except a banana. So let's go. Look at this. There are some bread sellers. And I don't really see a place to sit. Well, I'll get back with you guys as soon as I find a spot. Alright? So guys, I got the best seat right next to the kitchen. So let's order our breakfast. भैया मेरे लिए एक ये देना पूरी breakfast आलू पूरी और मीठा चाय. हाँ जी, thank you. That's my breakfast right there. Look at this. Oh, meetha chai. Here comes my meetha chai. There it is. My meetha chai. Look at that. There's a guy asking for some help. So let's see if he wants to eat something. I don't know if he understood that or not. Let's see. So let's look at the temple. There's two temples, one right here, and then there's one right there. They're both Buddhist Tibetan temples right here in Manju-ka-tilla. And this, by the way, guys, is honestly one of the most popular places to hang out. So if you guys have seen my video where people were dancing, this actually happened right here at this courtyard. This is where pretty much everything happens in Manju-ka-tilla. Like there's a gathering, I mean there's an official event. Oh, here comes my breakfast. Look at that. This is really good. Egg, 2 bread. And this delicious looking food is prepared by these young boys right here. Namaste. Thank you. So this is what it looks like, guys. This is what it looks like. See, I mean, you can see a little bit of how they're preparing the puri right here. And there's probably Acha is making the rest of the food, I think. Everything looks great. You know, and the perfect place to eat. Look at all the people. There's another one over here. There's some tables over here. Yeah, people hanging out. There's a guy over here. Okay, let me see if I can help him out a little bit. All right, hang on. Let me get back with you guys. So, around Manju-ka-tilla, or basically anywhere where there are a lot of Tibetans, you'll see a lot of people, helpless people asking for help. I think I remember saying this in one of my videos, but Tibetans in general are very generous people. Most Tibetans are very generous. I genuinely believe that. So you'll see a lot of beggars pleading for help. So he's no different. I did a little bit, whatever I could do. So he's now on his way back home or to the next person who could probably help him. Anyways, I just got my first really good, guys. Really, really good. I can't complain because I got the best seat. You can literally reach out for whatever you want. You want more bread, you can reach out. You want more potatoes, you can reach out. You want more chai, you can reach out. So I have the best seat in the house. So this is what it looks like. How beautiful is that? The temperature right now is 71 degrees. That's perfect. That's almost perfect. It's not warm. It's not cool. I mean, it's not cold. It's comfortably cool. Well, I've got a couple of friends who'll join me. Yeah. Now look at these pigeons right there on the top. A lot of pigeons. And this looks like the local Tibetan office. I don't know if you guys could see the signboard, but that's what it says. Regional Tibetan Freedom Movement, New Delhi or Delhi. And then the other one says Resident Welfare Association Office. Yeah. So guys. Let's see what the tea tastes like. Wow. The best. Absolutely the best. All right. Let me finish the food because I have to get to some place and then I'll get back with you guys. All right, guys, later. All right, guys, I have two new friends with me eating here. So let's see if they're willing to talk. I did ask them if it's okay to record, so it's not like I'm being disrespectful and shoving my camera in front of their faces, okay? Just so you guys know. खाना कैसा है भैया? अच्छा है? आप कहाँ से हैं? गया से? ओ बुध गया से? अच्छा। हम बुध गया गया है। बुध गया में तो हमारा आदमी बहुत है ना? आपको पता है ना? आप अभी कहाँ काम करता है? यहाँ काम करता है? नहीं। अच्छा, यहाँ घूमने आया काम के लिए आया? दूसरे ठहर जाना है। हाँ? काजा जाना है। कहाँ जाना है? काजा बोला तो कहाँ है? वहाँ काम करने के लिए जा रहा है? टिबेटन है, इंडियन काम है? Tibetan. अच्छा, काजा। I don't know where Kaja is, guys. I've never heard of this place. हिमाचल में है काजा। मुझे पता नहीं, मैं कभी सुना नहीं है। अच्छा। तो आप दोनों साथ उसी के पास काम करेगा? क्या काम करेगा? ये तो जाने के बाद पता चलेगा। अभी नहीं, अभी पता नहीं है काम क्या करेगा? हाँ? अच्छा। इंटरव्यू है। Yeah, they're going to some place called Kaja. I have no idea where that is. Apparently it's in Himachal Pradesh in northern India. Yeah, they don't know what they're going to be doing, but they're going to work for a Tibetan family. They're also from Bodh Gaya. I don't know why I said also. Maybe because there's a lot of Indians here in Manju-ka-tilla that comes from Bodh Gaya. So that may be it. So look at this. Look around, guys. Yep. And everybody enjoying their breakfast. Some having just tea. Some having their breakfast. This thing is so good, guys. That's green pepper. भैया आप दोनों का ये पैसा मैं दे सकता हूँ हम देगा हाँ ठीक है लापा से पूछो हमारे लापा को पता है क्या पता ठीक है ना I offered to pay for their breakfast and they're a little shy. They don't want to say yes, but I know they won't mind it. चाय मांगो भैया इसको चाय दो चाय नहीं पीता है आप भी चाय नहीं पीता Oh wow, these guys don't drink any tea, guys. What's going on? I thought Indians loved tea. I'm wrong. आप खाएगा कुछ Oh wow. These two are the first Indians who don't like any tea. That's something else. That's different. I've never come across an Indian who does not drink any tea. पूरी चाहिए पूरी खाएगा खाओ आप खाएगा नहीं खाएगा आप भी पूरी लो हाँ आलू लो भैया थोड़ा आलू डालो ना इनको सब्जी डालो आलू हाँ डालो They're young boys. I know how much they can eat. I remember myself being a kid, their age, and I used to eat a lot. Huge appetite. So I'm sure these guys are working hard jobs, so they can eat a lot too. 2 curry is not going to do anything for them. That much I know. Let me show you a little bit inside too. भैया आप दिन में कितना बनाता है पूरी आपके ख्याल से दिन में कितना पूरी बनाता होगा 1000 Oh my God, these guys are making about 1000 of these breads every day 1000 of these wow 1000 that's a lot they're making about 1000 of these wow so that's how many people are coming here that's how busy this little place is here guys just look at the setup it's just very simple there's nothing they have a couple benches tables in the courtyard and that's pretty much it they have a little shade going on to make sure nothing falls down in the steaming hot frying oil and also to keep it a little bit clean wow see that's how it is. Well, my friends are still enjoying the food. सब्जी चाहिए आलू दे दो भैया इसको आप भी आलू लो रोटी ले लो हाँ खाओ ना हम देगा हम दे देगा आप कुछ भी खाओ रोटी देना Oh, I think these two setups are different people. This one is owned by a different person, and then I think the other one is owned by a different person too. So it looks like these are competitors. I thought they're the same people running two different places. Apparently not. Bhaiya, which side? See, that's how easy it is. All I can do is just reach out, give them my cup, and they can refill it. आप दोनों काजा कब जा रहे हैं? काजा बोला आज जा रहा है शाम को बस से। कितना टाइम लगता है?
आधा दिन। वन डे एंड हाफ डे।
इतना ज़्यादा जाना ट्रेन में?
बस में।
बहुत दूर है फिर।
आज रात में बैठेगा ना तो कल सुबह 5-6 बजे से उतारेगा।
अच्छा।
पूरा नाइट मतलब बस ट्रेवल।
हमको पता नहीं है काजा, हमने कभी सुना नहीं है। या आप कुछ दूसरी तरह से बोल रहे हैं, हमको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है।
मनाली
काजा ही बोलता है नाम।
हाँ, इलाका ही है।
What is Kaja, guys? Help me out. I have no idea where it is, what it is. I've never even heard of it. Apparently it's somewhere in Manali. Or somewhere near Manali. Do you know where Kaja is? I have no idea. I've been to Manali several times, but I don't know where Kaja is. आपका नाम क्या है?
सुधीर।
सुधीर। आपका?
संजू।
संजू। संजू बाबा। संजू बाबा कौन है पता है? संजय दत्त पता नहीं है?
संजू दत्त पता है।
हाँ, वो संजू है बोले ना। संजू संजू तो संजू बाबा है। देखो दैट्स संजू बाबा लगे, ये संजू बाबा है। These little boys are shy. God bless them. God bless them. Man.
कितना वांडे?
नहीं नहीं, इस आपका हम देगा। हाँ, आप नहीं देना नहीं चाहिए, हम दे दूँगा, आप मत दो।
पूछना जरूरी है ना सर?
हाँ,
पूछना जरूरी है ना?
अच्छा अच्छा, पूछ रहे हैं बोल रहे। अच्छा, कोई पेशेंट कोई नहीं चाहिए वो नहीं। आप कोई बात नहीं।
ठीक है सर, बहुत थैंक्स। हम ये YouTube में डालेंगे। हाँ ठीक है। यूट्यूब का चैनल नाम क्या है?
हाँ,
नेम, चैनल नेम
कौन है?
कौन है?
ओके, ठीक है ना। इसमें डालने से आपको कोई
नहीं नहीं।
अच्छा ओके, हमको पूछना पड़ता है ना। बहुत है, मैं लिखेगा बाद में आएगा। ये हो गया। हाँ, कल देखेगा आप, कल देखेंगे। I just, yeah, subscribe हो गया. I just gave them my channel name so that they can watch themselves on YouTube tomorrow. देखा ना चैनल देखा? हाँ, सब्सक्राइब हो गया। आप कल देखो। हाँ
चले।
Look at this, guys. More and more people showing up. see, some people come just like that. They come straight from the bus stop or the bus stand with all their luggage here. They'll come here, they'll eat their breakfast, and then they'll go find a room. And I think it's pretty hard to find a room in Manju-ka-tilla this time of the year, because there are so many people going and coming, so it's not easy. Thank you, bye-bye. Poor guys, they're going to some place in Himachal Pradesh, very far away from their home, away from their dad and mom or their family. But I'm glad they're going to work, so that's a good thing. That's it. The guys cleaned theirs, I cleaned mine. So it's all nice and clean, guys. We didn't leave anything on the plate because it was so good.